Good morning, students. You are the only two who have joined the session, so let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then we will start. Thank you. Very good afternoon to all. Am I audible? Fine. So, in a previous session, we had gone through that third-party API integration was done, right? Now, let's go through the another example. Just hold on. Fine. So, okay. This was the example. We had already gone through it. Okay. And now let's choose another example. Okay. Yeah, that example. So this is the web scraper example, first of all. And what exactly in this example, let me show you also. This is the IMDb page of Marvel's movie, right? So you can see this, the all movies of Marvel kept from starting from the Captain America, Iron Man, Incredible Hulk, Iron Man 2, Thor, Avengers, right? Iron Man 3, Thor, Captain America, Winter Soldier, Guardians of Galaxy 1, 2, Avengers, Age of Ultron, Ant-Man, What's Up, Captain America, Spider-Man Homecoming, Doctor Strange, Thor Ragnarok, Black Panther, Infinity War, right? Captain Marvel. So how many titles are there? How many titles are there? How many movies are there? 21. So what we will do? We are going to fetch. First, we need to fetch this page. After that, we are going to retrieve or fetch this all titles, 21 titles. So for that, I need to go to the first of all a page source or inspect element. Okay, so go through the elements now and search for Captain America. So take a look on this. This is what the first image of Captain America and the other one. Now that's what the title. Take a look on this. This is the title. Now we need this title. Okay. So first let's check where exactly the title is under the which class. So this is basically a hyperlink first. An hyperlink under the span class. And what exactly the span class is? Listener item. Listener item. So we need to fetch all the class. All right. Which means under the listener item, how many hyperlinks are there? We need to fetch all. Okay. We need to fetch all. So let's go through the code now. Let's go through the code now. So this is what the code. Now you already know that how the call extension work. How does the call extension work? 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 Forgot? There are 4 steps are there. Which 4 steps? These are the 4 steps. This is the most important part as far as concern of the web scraping by using curl. Initialization part first. So handle call init. All right. By using this function call init, we are going to initialize the session. Second, setting the options. So there are many options. For example, for the URL. All right. So call set opt and into bracket the session variable, then call opt and URL. Third one is execution of call. So call exec, call execution. Parameter is session variable. Last call close. So this is the 4 which can applicable to the all codes. Fine. So call init. If the not call, then die. Right. Now this is the URL we need to define. So we had defined that URL also. Right. Now call set opt, return transfer to, all right, and SSL verify host also. Now once we are going to retrieve this page, this will be in result. So if you are going to print echo, then this page will be printed. So we are not going to do that thing. Okay. So what we will do now? If the errors occurs in curl, then it will be handled by the error number. But what I did, I write one regex. Now what exactly this regex is? Take a look on this listener item class. So that would be the same listener item class. This is a listener item class. Take a look on this. Listener item. Right? So under the listener item, there is a hyperlink. So I need to write a regex for that. H3 class, listener item, header, hyper reference, hyperlink, star, 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 S. All right. So this is a regular expression, matched pattern. So now I'll do match count. What exactly I'm choosing? Another function, regular expression function, preg match all. All right. What exactly? The output of entire page, which needs to match with this regex, and it should be in array. So preg match all result stored in match count. So what match count will do? It will give you the number. But we have stored the result in array also. Whatever the matches is found. So it will be in array. Now I'm going to print for each. I'm going to print entire array by using for each. So as the title. So movie title. Now let's execute this. Take a look on this. IMDb site total title 21. So 21 title was there. 21 titles. Take a look on this. 21 titles are there. Right? Last is 21 title. So all titles are fetched. Movie title and the name of the title also. Done? Are we clear on that? Guys, are we clear, all of you? Done? So I'm giving you this code now and I want you to execute this. I want you to execute this. And execute બધાએ કરવાનું છો પ્લીઝ કોડ આપું છું બધાને એક્ઝિક્યુટ કરો અને નેક્સ્ટ વીક જેની પાસે લેપટોપ ન હોય એમાં લેક્ચરમાં ન આવતા હો મારે નેક્સ્ટ વીકથી કોઈનું કામ જ નથી કાંઈ વિધાઉટ લેપટોપ નો વન ઇઝ ગોઈંગ ટુ જોઈન માય સેશન સ્ટ્રિક્ટલી પ્રોહિબિટેડ આવતા જ નહીં અટેન્ડન્સ મળશે જ નહીં બધાને કાઢી જ મૂકીશ Once you're done with this, you are requested to respond in chat box. So we will move further. Thank you. All the students are requested to respond in chat box, please. Is this done, guys? Fine. So another example, just hold on, let me check it, just hold on. Yeah, kindly execute this also at your end. I want somebody to share your screen, please. I want somebody to share your screen. I want somebody to share your screen, please. Who is going to share and execute this? Who is going to share your screen? I want somebody to share your screen. I already pasted the code in chat box and I want you to execute it. Yes, Parth, you can. Yes, please go on.
Sir.
Aha, okay, no problem.
એવું નહીં સર.
નો જાવે ને એક્ઝિક્યુટ થયું આ. હવે એક કામ કર, આ જે બધા પ્રોગ્રામ્સ તું જે ફોલ્ડરમાં રાખે છે ફોલ્ડર ઓપન કર. એ ફોલ્ડર ઓપન કર. htdocs. હવે માં જો ડિવાઇન્ડ html કરીને જો પેજ સ્ટોર થયું, જો રહ્યું દેખાણું, આ પેજ સ્ટોર થયું, ક્લિક કરા ને. કેમ કઈ આવતું નથી દોસ્ત? હા આવી ગયું. સ્ક્રોલ અપ કર, સ્ક્રોલ અપ. હા બસ રાખજે, હવે આને રાખજે, રાઈટ. સ્ક્રોલ અપ. Scroll up.
Wow.
Okay. Now switch the code. Switch to the code. Make it zoom. હવે આ જે URL છે ને HTTPS વાળી, આ URL ઓપન કરતો થાય છે? હા, આખી URL ઓપન કર. છે same page. All right. So this is the page. We are going to perform the web scraping on that, as well as what we will do. We are going to save this page as a HTML in our local system. Clear? So this is the second example. Now switch to that code. Switch to that code. Take a look on this. First, we have defined a URL. Now we define a file. This is a syntax underscore underscore DRI underscore underscore directory separator divine.html, right? Which means we are going to save this page as a divine comedy.html. Now rest is everything same. First call initialization. So call init would be there. Now we need to write the file. So file handle open an F file, $file in write mode. Now call setup array. All right, so there are few options are there. Call URL, call file handle, and then call execution, and then call close, and then file close. So what we did, first we fetched. After that, we have created a file in write mode. So we are going to fetch this data as well as we have created this page, all right, and I mean write this file as HTML in our local system. Are you able to understand now? Are you able to understand? Clear? All of you? Thank you, Parth. You can stop sharing. You can stop sharing the screen. All clear, guys? So kindly execute this program, and once you're done with this, respond in chat box. Thank you. Okay, so continue with the call now. Look, these are the suggested basic functions which we are used already. We were used. Call init, call execution, setup with other options, parameters, and call execution, call close. Now, this is what the small example. We already gone with the different examples. This is a simple example in which the web scraping is done. Okay. So this is already done in a previous session. I mean, last to last session, last Monday. So That's what the how to handle the cookies. So for that we have used two functions. The curl opt cookie jar defines write required to write the cookies, and cookie files define the files basically from which basically cookies are supposed to be read. Okay, so this is a syntax how we are going to handle the cookies. Okay, we already executed that part. So that's what the conclusion. Basically, curl extension provides us a convenient way to communicate with the other websites, particularly with the API. Fine, that is provided by the third party. So this is what the second unit. All right, curl part is done. Now it's a mail function. Uh, if you wanted to send the mail through the PHP script, it can be possible. But so for that, you need to set up a mail server, entire mail server. Right. So if you have a mail server ready, then you can execute the mail by using the PHP script. Fine. So there are basically two mail functions are there. A first one that is used to generate the hash code. All right. That is EZ underscore MLM, EZ MLM hash. All right. So and another one which is mail. So that's what the syntax of EZ MLM. Okay. You can see this. There is a email which is stored in one variable, and we are going to process this variable by using this function. And after that, you can try yourself. You can try yourself. It is possible, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Let me give you the code. Go ahead. Go ahead. Are you done with this, guys? Are you done with this? Not working. Hold on. It might be possible by using this. EZMLM is not working, I guess. This is a mail server part only. Is it working at your end, Niro? Is it working at your end, Niro? So I guess there is a problem with the path only, I guess. The rest of the other says it's working. Okay, hash value is 32. Fine, fine. Parth, try it one more time again. Fine, so now let's back to the mail. Okay, the mail function allows you to send the emails directly from the script. So there are some certain syntaxes there. Mail function, then to subject, message, header, and parameter. So how to write now? Take a look on this. PHP to, which means you need to write a recipient email ID over here. Double quotes. Subject, which you want to add. text, a message, or a body. All right, you need to write, and then headers. I mean, from basically from slash r slash n and then cc bcc whatever. And you need to directly write mail now to comma subject comma text comma headers and execute this script. It will work. All right, but basically it will not work. Why? Because if you consider a mail server, we haven't set up yet, so it will not work. So for that you need to set up the mail server first, then and then it will work. Right, so I wanted to take a screenshot of this. Definitely it is not going to work, right? But it is just an example how to send the emails through the PHP script. Okay, so kindly take the screenshot of this first, please. Is this done? Is this done, all of you? Fine. So this is what the end of the unit number 2. Okay. Fine. So unit number 2, in which the web scraping part is completely over. Now let's get started with the regex. Okay, a regular expression. Now, as far as concern of the mid-semester examination, all right, let me check how many students are there. Darshit, Dhruv, Ruvi, Hemant, Jaimin, Kevan, Monica, Nirav, Parth, Pratik, Shambhi, Unnati, Yash, and Yogeshwar. Fine. So, as far as concern from the mid-semester examinations, the regular expression is very important, in which you need to consider all functions. This one, all. Preg replace preg, pregi replace split, SQL regex, PCRE, preg filter, grab, last error, preg match, all, preg match, quad, callback array, call, replace callback array, replace callback, preg replace, preg split, and all the examples are given in this slide. All the examples. Now these are the most commonly used functions. So this is the most important, all functions. Now what exactly all functions are? Preg match, to execute the pattern, match on a string, return 1 if the pattern was found with the string, otherwise 0. Right? Then preg match all returns the number of times the pattern was found in a string, which also may be a 0. Preg replace, simply we are going to replace, and preg split, it will be split into the A, preg split. Okay, now one by one examples were given, as well as the syntax is also given, and explanation of the particular parameter is also given in the slide. Pattern is nothing but it's a regex, regular expression only. Input, matches, flags, offset, everything is there. Now this is the example, Prague match. Okay. How many matches were found? It will return the answer. I mean, if it is there, then it will return 1 or 0. Now this is Prague match offset. How many matches we can find? Prague match all. All right. Output is 3. Prague match all pattern string matches. Prague pattern order matches. Prague replace. Particular string will be replaced with the other string. Right. Prague split. It's split into the array. All right. Now the delimiter is right now we are not considering, but another option is also that if you want to separate the delimiter then. So this is what the Prague split. Now by using this Prague split offset, you can separate the delimiter also. Now the Prague quad, we had also gone through that example. How many of you executed all the programs? How many of you executed the all programs? Okay. Fine. So this is what the regular expression. Now if you have any doubt, you can ask. This is the end of unit number 2. This is the end of unit number 2. Still you have any doubt, you can ask. Now let me give you the important topics from the unit number 1. Okay. Kindly note it down. Classes, access modifiers, public, private, protected, methods. Now magic methods, all magic methods. Constructor, destructor, getter, setter, everything. Are you writing or not? Okay. Now, this is what little bit till now. Now, main points are encapsulation. Encapsulation with example. Look, let me tell you one thing. If in examination any of the theory can be asked, any of the theory, you need to write with example. Then and then you will get marks. Otherwise, you will get half marks. Say, for example, if the question can be asked like explain encapsulation, then you need to explain the encapsulation whole theory and then you need to write example. If this type of the questions can be asked in 6 marks, you need to write theory plus example. If you are only going to write theory, you will get only 3 marks. That's all. Okay, done. Most important, inheritance. Now, multi-level inheritance, multiple inheritance. Now we know that multiple is not possible. So how we can be implemented with multiple? How can we implement? How can we implement? The PHP doesn't support multiple inheritance. Still, if I want to implement the multiple inheritance, how many ways are there to implement? Very good. Interface and traits. Interface and traits. So inheritance is important. Traits, interface, everything is important. Yes. Tell me. Hello. Someone was speaking. Fine, it's okay. Next is data abstraction. Abstract class, most important. Abstract class. And then SPL auto load register. SPL auto load register. Short question. Object cloning. Object cloning. With example. List out magic methods. List out magic methods. પેલા તો કીધી હતી ને constructor, destructor, getter, setter. Apart from that, call static, get, set, is set, unset, sleep, wake up, toString, invoke, set state, clone, all are magic methods. After that, another most important, polymorphism. Polymorphism. That's all. That's all. These are the main important topics. Now let me tell you one more time. We do have very less syllabus. I'm repeating again and again since first lecture. So very less syllabus is there. Kindly read it everything and score more than 25 marks. Okay. Still you have any doubt in unit number 1 and 2, you can ask.
તો સર
Okay.
સર પાર્થ
હા બોલો પાર્થ અને પ્રતીક
હા.
બોલો.
સર ઓલા આજે લાસ્ટ પ્રોગ્રામ હતો ને તમે કીધું ને મેલ વાળો
હેલો મેઇલ વાળો
જે તમે